everybody. My name is Reshma, working as a maths teacher. Today, let us see 10th standard mathematics. One of the important chapter name is called as arithmetic progression. Dear student, it is very important, and for the examination sake also it is very important, and for the competitive examination also it is very important. Many students are getting some confusion in this chapter also, but don't worry, if you neatly understand this concept, there will be no confusion. If you have any confusion, I will help you. So this is my first class. Please cooperate me, and I will try my level best. So let us start the class. Arithmetic progression. So you know that the meaning of the number patterns. So in our surrounding way, you can see the patterns of some objects. Likewise, the honeycomb. In that you can see some patterns, and in the sunflower, there also you can see the some patterns. Likewise, in the numbers system also, you have been studied about the types of the numbers system in the previous classes: natural number, whole number, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, and so many kinds of number system you've been studied in the previous class. So what is the meaning of arithmetic progression? Before going to that concept, you have to understand what is the meaning of sequence. So here, so I will write some example here. For example number 1, 0, 4, 9, 16 onwards. Second one is the pattern of numbers. Very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards. And third one is 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So these are the example for some sequence. So this is first example is it is the set of the continuous square number. It is a set of the square number. 0 square is 0, and so sorry, here I want to write one more here. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and 4 square is 16, and you can write the next number also, 5 square, 6 square, like this. So all these numbers are, it consists of only the set of square numbers. It does not consist of non-perfect square number. So this is one kind of the sequence, because it follows some rules. All the terms of this patterns of the numbers are, every numbers are the square number. So in the second example, this is the set of the natural numbers. Similarly, this is a set of the whole numbers. So these are some set of the numbers which has some rules behind that, every terms which has some rules. So that kind of the pattern number is called as what? Patterns of the numbers is called as sequence. But arithmetic progression is, it is one kind of the special kind of the sequence. What is the speciality of this arithmetic progression? Let us come to the point. So here I will take some example. For example, randomly I will select one term here. 4, next one is 2, 0, next is -2, and onwards. Next example number 2. Let us take 2 example. ನೀವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, if you understand few more examples regarding arithmetic progression, so then it becomes what, next concept will becomes very easy. Next one is randomly I am select the first term as 3, next is 7, ಮುಂದಿನ term 10, next term is 13, like this. Yes, no, it is wrong. Next I will take the number as here 3 and 7, next one is 11, next term is 15. You can clearly understand here ನಾನು ಬರಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಸಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ term. So let us see in the first example, 4 minus 2 is 2. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು, 4ಇಂದ -2 ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡೆ. -2 it gives 2. Next 2 minus 2 is 0. Again I subtracted 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. And here 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 minus 2 is 0. ನೀವು ಹೀಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, 4 plus of minus 2 is 2. Repeating once again, 4 plus of minus 2 is 2. Here 2 plus of minus 2 is 0. Next 0 plus of minus 2 is 2. So what is the number I added? I added every time plus 2. I added minus 2 to the previous term. 4 plus of minus 2. Don't get confusion. 4 plus of minus 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. I added for the first term, I added minus 2, which gives here 4 minus 2 is 2. So that I got the second term. And the same procedure I did for the next term also. 2 plus of minus 2. What I added minus 2. So here plus of minus 2 is minus 2. That gives what? Again 0. Again 0 plus of minus 2 is minus 2. So we observe here every terms I added minus 2 to the previous term. So hence I got the next term. ಹಾಗೆ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗೋದು. minus 2 plus of minus 2. What is the answer? Yes, it is minus 4. So here minus 2 is a term what I added to the previous term. So in the second example, 3 ಇರುವ 7 ಹೆಂಗಾಯಿತು? Simple. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ನೀವು ಮುಂದಿನ ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಬಾರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ by the kind of sequence which it forms by adding the constant term to the previous term. Such kind of the sequence is called as arithmetic progression. Yes, it is the kind of the sequence which it forms. So that how it forms? By adding common term, ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು constant, by adding constant to the previous term or preceding term. So which sequence is formed in this way, that is called as arithmetic progression. ಯಾವ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸು ಅದು ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಒಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಟರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸು ಹೀಗಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಥರ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ succeeding term is formed by adding the constant term to the preceding term. Such kind of the sequence is called as arithmetic progression. So here the difference in between the consecutive terms remains the same. Example, 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2. ಹೀಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The difference in between the consecutive term remains same. So here the first term is represented as A or A1. A ಅಥವಾ A1 ಅಂತ ಓದ್ತೀರಾ. Next term is A2, next A3. Likewise, the fourth term is 4, means A4. Likewise, suppose it has n term, that is denoted by An. So An is the nth term of the AP. So this is you can give the more example also. You can select any one term randomly, then add a